Hey everyone, today we're going to be working on replacing the crankcase vent pipe on a F10 BMW. This specific one is a 2013 535i, but the process will look similar on just about any mid to late teen 35i or 35xi BMW. The crankcase vent valve or vent pipe is located underneath the front engine cover right here, so the first step is to remove that. To do so, you reached under the cover right here and pull straight up. So I'm just coming straight up towards the top and then pulling it straight towards the front of the vehicle. With that out of the way, we can see the crankcase vent pipe. This is mine. As you can see, it's broken. I just had it duct taped temporarily so I could get the car home. Mine broke while doing some work on the piping connected to the air intake. The first thing we need to do when removing this is unplug the sensor line going into it. There's a little tab you press in and pull straight back, and this comes off like so. I'm just tucking it out of the way so it doesn't fall down. Once we have the cover out of the way, we'll have to use a T25 Torx bit to remove the two screws that attach the crankcase ventilation pipe to the air intake pipe. Once those two screws are removed, this sensor just pulls straight up. I'm trying to do it with one hand here. Straight up and out of the pipe, and you can see that this is what it looks like on the end. The next step is to remove the four clips. There was one on top right here. There's now one on the back side, one on the front side, and one on the bottom as well. The way I like to do that is to use a flathead screwdriver to get underneath and lift it back, and then leave it there, and then do the same thing. So I'm going to put the camera down and show what that looks like. So this is a demonstration of that method. I've now put a screwdriver under all of the tabs. I slid it so none of the hooks are engaged, and now we can just pull it right off. Installation of the new crankcase vent pipe is just the opposite of removal. We're going to insert it into the crankcase opening right here, but not so firmly so that we can't also install this. So you have to I have to use two hands here to bend it so it lines up with both. I had to show it off camera since I needed two hands, but all I did was plug in the top part and then use two hands since there's a little bit of tension on the pipe to line up the bottom part and press it directly downward and in. Now the last step is just to install those two screws and to plug the sensor in like so. And that is the entire process.